I created this course as the 7th in a series of 8 courses which make up the Online Course Design Institute. All these courses use the text Designing Effective Teaching and Significant Learning, which will walk you through the steps. Think of this as the assessment pathway course. All course, program, institutional assessment should be collected. Far too often in the past, these elements were created as needed, in isolation of one another. This course addresses several critical questions. Are you delivering what you say you are? Are your courses meeting quality standards? Are your programs and departments meeting credentialing or national standards? And is your institution the best it can be? Participants will examine how student learning takes place in courses and can be used to measure course quality, program and department advancement, along with institutional effectiveness.